Hello friends, welcome to 𝗗𝗦𝗠𝗘𝗥. The company which I wanted to discuss with you guys today, the name of the company is 𝗗𝗚𝗦𝗍𝗓 Limited. As far as the company is concerned, it's into e-vehicles, it's into defense, and it's also into software development. So there are a lot of facets as far as this company is concerned. So let's try to understand first the chart of the company. We'll try to understand the price structure of the company. Once we have understood the price structure, the chart, and try to understand which levels would be comfortable for us to get in, and then we'll analyze the company on a fundamental basis as well. So let's start with the chart first. If you look at the chart of the company, the stock was listed at around somewhere around 8 to 10 rupees. Let's assume the stock was listed at around 10 rupees, and since then uh, it was listed in around late 2020. After that, the stock has given a lifetime returns of around 2000%. If you see it, the stock consolidated in this range for a very long time. Till July 2022, the stock was consolidating in a range, and then the breakout happened, and that breakout took the stock all the way up. After the breakout, what do we see? We see that there is some sort of consolidation which happened, and that consolidation happened above this 560 level. So this 560 level was the major resistance for the stock tested it once, it just came back. Second time it just came back, and then again it consolidated here, and finally it broke off and gave a massive up move of around 200%. The stock has rallied 2000% since now November 2023. That means in last 6 months the stock has more than doubled. It has given 200% returns, right? So now what exactly is happening here? The stock is again consolidating the same way like it consolidated here, right? But here we see the downswings and the upswing. The downswing and the upswings are much more volatile as compared to here. Here the move was a very broad one, but here we see these ups and downs are happening very fast, which makes you believe that the stock can probably break out of this zone and can go higher. So this is the weekly chart of the stock, where every candle represents a weekly chart movement. Let's try to understand the daily chart of the company now. Now, to understand the daily chart of the company, let's just focus on this area of the stock. Now, this is that 200% rally which I told you guys. This is that 200% rally which started from here and ended up till here. So this was that 200% rally which happened. Now, let's focus here on this chart, on this part of the chart. What do we see here is that this 1700 level is proving as a major resistance for the stock. Stock got this all-time high of around 1700 at this point in March 2024. After that it came down. Second time it retested it, it again came down, and this time the consolidation is happening. I guess the consolidation is much better now because we are seeing some long shadows at the bottom of the candles, so which makes me believe that probably this could be the time when the stock can break the resistance and move ahead. So as far as the technical analysis and the chart analysis of the company is concerned, I am expecting that this 1700 resistance can be broken very soon. And why am I saying that? Probably the answers lie in the fundamental analysis of the stock. So let's do the fundamental analysis, and I am sure that you will get the same positive vibes which I have been getting from this stock, and then probably you will also be of the same opinion that this resistance can be broken. Our analysis is purely TECHNO FUNDA. We just don't rely on charts and take our decision based on charts only. We analyze both charts as well as the fundamentals, and based on that we decide what can happen in the future. So as far as the technicals are concerned, we are seeing a ascending triangle pattern here where 1700 is the major resistance for the stock. Now let's go to the fundamentals of the stock. Now the market cap of the company is just 2200 crores. That means just 6 months back this company was at around 500 crores, and since then it has given 200% return, so that's why it's now at around 2200 crores. So had you bought this company 6 months back, it would have been a market cap of only 500 crores. Now ROC is 20, ROE is 18, which is very good. And if we see the P of the stock is on the higher side, it's at around 101, and the industry P is 65. Well, that P is quite justified. Let's try to understand that how that P is justified. And if we look at the change in FIA holdings, FIA have increased the stake by around 0.60%, and the price to sales is around 7.96. Now let's try to understand the quarterly results of the company. If you see, this company used to post just 3 crore, 2 crore single digit figures till March 2022, and then it moved into the double digits, and this is the first time that the sales has gone into triple digits. From 63 crores, the sales has directly jumped to 149 crore, which is double the previous year of sales, right? Much more than double, actually. It's more than double, because if it would have been double, it would have been around 126 crores, but it's much higher than 126, around 149. So it's more than doubled. Now operating profit has gone from 7 crores to 21, which has almost tripled, right? And operating margin has gone up from 11% to 14%. These are the quarterly results. And if we see, the net profit has gone up from 5 to 12, so profit has doubled. And if we look at the EPS has also more than doubled from 3.97 to 9.28. Now these are the quarterly figures. Clearly this is a record quarter for the company, and in this quarter the company has really taken a great and a giant step ahead. So yes, looking at these numbers, I can say that probably the ascending triangle pattern which is forming on the charts, that can be broken, because the numbers are very good. Now if you look at the profit and loss on the yearly side of the company, the sales are the highest at around 279 crores. The previous highest was around 105 crores. This time it's 279 crores. And if you see, the margins are at around 13%, which are also fine. Look at the profits. Profits straight away from 0.0000, they have gone to 37 crores. And EPS is at a record high of 16.80, which is far higher than the previous years. So clearly there's this is a record year for the company, and the record quarter for the company as well. So everything is looking quite good as far as the company is concerned. Now if I look at the FII data, clearly FIIs have also increased their stake. They used to have no stake in the company. They made their entry in March 2023. Then they increased it. Then they again increased the stake. Then they again increased the stake. And right now they have the highest stake in the company, which is around 11.03%. The same is with the FIIs also, but FIIs don't have much stake. Sorry, DIIs don't have much stake. FIIs have increased their stake in every year, in the every preceding year of the company. So clearly this is giving me a very rosy picture of the company, and I'm expecting that NIBE, which is currently trading at around 1690, if we can hold it for 1 year, this stock can double or triple in the coming days, and it can be a great stock for your portfolio. So guys, this is it from my desk. I hope you enjoyed my analysis. If you have any stock in your mind, if you want me to cover it, do post it in the comment. I'll be more than happy to make a video on that, provided I see that stock fundamentally good and technically good as well. As you know, it's not just the fundamentals which I rely on. Unless and until the chart doesn't tell me the same story what fundamental numbers are telling me, I'm not interested in the stock. So if your stock interests me in the sense that both technicals and fundamentals are trending upwards, then I will definitely cover that stock in my next video. So do comment in the comment box. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. I'll see you again next week. Goodbye.